Welcome to Mommy Monday, and let's do some skincare. First, we're going to start out with this. So, one thing that I feel like should be gifted and or you need is a zip up swaddle. The reason being is because the zip up swaddle, in my opinion, is something that simulates for the baby being still in the womb. So it's still tight, they're compact, and then it literally lulls the baby back to sleep because they're so used to being in the tight space of the womb that they think that they're in your belly. And they have 0 to 3 month, newborn, 3 to 6 months. And then at that point in time, your child should have built a sleeping style to where that if you did want to switch them out of the zip up swaddle, then the regular Velcro swaddles will still work because now they have built up a sleeping like style form to where that they might not bust out of the Velcro. Next is the Parents' Choice Sensitive Wipes. The sensitive wipes for Parents' Choice can be found at Walmart, and I also think on Amazon. And the reason why I like this specific brand as well as that specific wipe form is because it's not just a plain wipe. It has ridges on the wipe, and it helps, and it's a difference. There is a difference between if your wipes don't have any ridges and or patterns on them at all compared to when there is a specific pattern located on them to help catch anything extra and or have the ability to limit to 2 to 3 wipes per use. Next, I would highly recommend Rascal and Friends diapers. I have plenty of other favorite brands like Pampers. I love Pampers. The Sam's Choice diapers. And I think the Costco diapers are kind of cool. But definitely Sam's Club, Pampers Choice, and then Rascal and Friends. But specifically Rascal and Friends because their size range is one of the best on the market. Even if your baby is in a size 2 for other pamper brands or diaper brands, guaranteed they're going to be in a size 1 for Rascals. Always think a step under for Rascals because they have a wider weight range as well as the durability of their diapers is insane. Co-sleeping. There is nothing wrong with trying to get sleep and making sure that baby gets some sleep. But as somebody who co-slept with their firstborn, and when I had my twins, I knew it was not an option to co-sleep. Having a bedside bassinet and or the sleeping boppies that are ridged up so that the baby is at a different level than you while laying on your bed, 100% recommend. Because in a way, it's like, yes, you're in the bed with them and they're near you, but you are not sleeping skin to skin at close contact. As well as some of the boppies are being able to be placed inside of bassinets. So it's a little bit of extra cushion, but I honestly think that it's your own preference because you need to be aware of safe sleeping habits for your children. But I personally recommend bassinets, boppies, as well as bedside attachment sleeping arrangements. Nipple shields. If you are trying to breastfeed, nipple shields should definitely be one of the products that you need to have in your hospital bag, the diaper bag, anywhere accessible when you are planning to breastfeed, because the first 24 hours of breastfeeding are rough. They are so rough. The number of classes that you have taken to prepare yourself, the different videos, nothing can actually prepare you for when you have your child and they do not latch. They either have a small latch, their mouth isn't latching properly, it's hurting, your nipples start to crack. But I am definitely telling you this because I have breastfed 3 babies. A nipple shield in the beginning, especially if you are so adamant on breastfeeding, start with the nipple shield, because you're new to baby is new to you. You want to make sure that the baby is fed, and that's okay. But we do not want you to stress out, mama. Don't stress out. It's okay. And to alleviate the stress, I highly recommend a nipple shield and also hand expressing. Hand expressing, within the first 24 hours, the baby honestly just needs that colostrum. And it's easier for you to hand express, as well as this stimulates you to be able to bring the milk in without the pressure of, oh, I am not pumping enough, or oh no, the baby is not eating enough. First 24 to 48 hours, baby, hand expressing can be very helpful, and syringe feeding as well. Zip up onesies. Just like the zip up swaddles, zip up onesies, game changer. It's so crazy how much of a difference a zip up swaddle makes compared to a button up swaddle. Because when there's a blowout or you're in a crunch for time, sliding the hands and the feet in and not having to worry about socks, and or some of these zip up swaddles have now started to have the little mittens, makes a complete difference. And last but not least, if you are having a baby, stock up. Don't focus on one area, and don't ask people to gift you things in one specific area, i.e., let specific people know, hey, I would love newborn clothes. Hey, I would love 0 to 3 month clothes. Hey, I would love 3 to 6 month clothes. And this goes for diapers as well. Ask for 2 month diapers, 3 month diapers, 4 month diapers, because they're going to grow rapidly from newborn to 1 to 2 size diapers. But once you hit, depending on your baby, once you hit size 2, 3, and 4, it's going to take a while for them to grow out of these sizes. But if you already have these sizes in stock in your baby's room, then you don't have to worry about rushing to get the next size, because you already have that next size available. As well as, I like to cut off at a certain size, because by 3 months, possibly even 2, not 3 months, the size for 2 to 3, you have already selected your preference of diapers, and you don't want any money or any gifts to possibly go to waste. But that's it, and that's my skincare routine.